The Jungle Adventure of Aryan. Aryan was a 10-year-old boy who loved exploring. One day, while playing near his village, he discovered a narrow, overgrown path leading into a dense jungle. Curiosity got the best of him, and he stepped inside, eager for an adventure. As he wandered deeper, the towering trees blocked the sunlight, and strange noises echoed around him. Aryan soon realized he was lost. But instead of panicking, he remembered his grandfather's words, "Nature is your friend if you respect it." While searching for a way out, he heard chattering above him. A small, playful monkey swung from the branches, watching him with bright eyes. "Hello, little monkey," Aryan said. The monkey, whom he later named Bobo, seemed friendly and led him further into the jungle. Bobo took Aryan to a large river where an old elephant stood drinking water. Maybe he can help, Aryan thought. The wise elephant, Ramu, listened patiently as Aryan explained his situation. "Follow the river downstream," Ramu said in a deep, calm voice. "It will lead you home." Grateful for the advice, Aryan started walking along the riverbank. But before he could get far, a low growl made him freeze. A tiger emerged from the bushes, its golden eyes locked onto Aryan. He knew running wouldn't help. Just as the tiger crouched, ready to pounce, Bobo screeched loudly and threw coconuts from the trees. At the same time, Ramu raised his trunk and let out a thunderous trumpet. Startled, the tiger backed away and disappeared into the jungle. Breathing a sigh of relief, Aryan thanked his animal friends and continued following the river. Soon, he saw the edge of the jungle and his village beyond. He turned back to wave at Bobo and Ramu, promising to return one day. When Aryan reached home, he excitedly told his family about his adventure. He had learned that courage, friendship, and respecting nature were the keys to survival. From that day on, he became the village's bravest young explorer.